all product managers have goals. Product goals are the key components of product roadmaps and product strategy. Why? Because they describe the plan, direction for a product, it's the target destination and the milestones along the way. But how do you measure your product's performance? How do you measure the success of your product strategy? In one simple word, it's called metrics. So, what exactly are metrics? Well, if you're interested or curious to know that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the video ahead. Hi, this is Afreen Rahman, and in this video, we're going to talk about metrics and what it means for product managers, right? Now, to define metrics, metrics are quantitative measurements that provide insight into your progress towards achieving a business goal. Sometimes they're also known as key performance indicators or KPIs. Now, they inform product managers about the performance of their product, right? They provide real world data as well, kind of like a framework for analyzing that data. Now, metrics facilitate discovery and inform product strategy decisions, right? So they can, they change the directions of your product strategy. And if you see by extension, they also, key in changing the direction for the entire organization. Now, it's a common truism that, if you don't measure something, you cannot improve it, right? You must have heard of this. But without data-driven metrics, strategy becomes a guessing game and business decisions becomes a little bit speculative. But by trying business goals to the proper business metrics, product managers can make informed decisions. So, as a tool for facilitating business goals, metrics must be used to set measurable objectives for the product, right? They are the foundation of the business case that product managers communicate to the organization, right? They are the targets that development and sales team aim for, and they they present the hard facts about a product's health. So with the proper metrics, product managers can establish what's working and what's underperforming, right? And by analyzing the data, they can find creative solutions to then improve their product performance in the market. But that being said, today's business world is awash in a sea of data, right? So if your metrics are based on data, what is the right data for you to measure, right? The options will seem endless. So if you collect too much data, then you'll soon be drowning in extremely irrelevant information. And if you collect too little data, you could miss something very, very crucial for your product. So since metrics measure a product's success, they serve an essential communication function for product managers, right? And product managers, after all, need to communicate regularly, with their departments, their executives throughout the organizations. And metrics actually provide a common set of measurement that can be communicated to the key stakeholders in the entire product strategy, right? And metrics are basically a tangible link between a product vision, a product strategy, and product performance. So by basing metrics on factors including product usage patterns and customer satisfaction and product managers can actually translate the performance of a product into something that key stakeholders can easily comprehend. Well, this was a very, very basic, explanation of letting you know what exactly are metrics and why these KPIs are important for product managers. For more such simple and easy content and relatable content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow us on YouTube. Till then, we'll see you next time.